morning. This is very important example. In three-dimensional vector space of real numbers, let W be the xz plane and we have to find the basis for this W. To get the basis, we first need to show that every element of W is a linear combination of the required vectors. And secondly, those vectors forms the generating set for this W, right? Then only we can get those vectors to be as the basis for W. Before starting with the solution, let's have these remarks first. The first one is the xy plane. What kind of the vector is present in the xy plane? So W is equal to, yes, it is x, y, 0 such that x, y belongs to the real numbers. As it is your xy plane, so the required element is of the form x, y, 0. And this W is a subspace of R3, right? Second is xz plane. For xz plane, we have the element of the type x, 0, z, such that xz belongs to the real numbers. So this W is also a subspace of R3. Then we are having the yz plane and the element is of the kind 0yz such that yz belongs to the real numbers. So this W is also a subspace of R3. Then is the x-axis. For x-axis we are having the kind of the element as x, 0, 0 such that x belongs to the set of real numbers. And then for the y-axis, we are having 0, y, 0 such that y belongs to the set of real numbers. And then for the z-axis, we are having the element of the kind 0, 0, z such that z belongs to the set of real numbers. So all these w's is a subspace of R3. These remarks are very useful in solving the further assignments. Now the solution. Okay, to find the basis for W, and the W is of the kind of the plane xz, right? So we write the elements of W as x, 0, z, where xz belongs to the real numbers. Let's take one element from this W. So let's say x, 0, z belongs to W. Then I can write x, 0, z to be equal to sum of the vectors x, 0, 0 and 0, 0, z, which can be further written as x into 1, 0, 0 plus z into 0, 0, 1. Can I write like this? Yes. So we are getting x, 0, z element to be as a linear combinations of 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1, right? And because x, 0, z is any arbitrary element from W, so which means every element of W is a linear combinations of those vectors. So thus W is generated by the vectors 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Let's write these vectors in the matrix form named as A. So writing 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Now since this A is already in a row echelon form, so we write the basis for W from the first row as 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So these forms the basis for W. Thank you.